Alright, so what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. So last vlog that I recorded was like last month, and it's been a while since I've like received inventory, but I finally have, and I got it prepped last week, and today's a Monday. But so far here's how the store is doing. Let me pull up the Seller Central. So it's October now, so it's officially the beginning of Q4, but last month I did get it real quick. So here, gotta cover up the products, but last month I did a total of uh, 4,699 in sales. So I was so close to doing 5,000 in sales. Hopefully I can achieve that this month, but I'm gonna go ahead and set out the products that I prepped last weekend in front of the garage because I have a UPS pickup coming in probably about like 2 hours. So I want to make sure I don't miss that because there's a lot of money in that order. So I'm gonna head and get that set up, and I guess I'll just take you along with me. Alright, so I'm back in the 100K workspace. So the packages just got picked up in the morning. It's like 9 now. I had stuff to do during the day, and with online arbitrage, there isn't really much to do. It's just you're basically on your computer most of the time because you're ordering stuff, and then you gotta wait for that stuff to get here. And if you're using a prep center, then you just send it to them. But I finally got some product in here. Hopefully I'm gonna get this all prepped for tomorrow morning so that I can drop it off at the post office whenever I get back from the gym. So the thing about this SKU is one of my top performer ASINs. So each unit makes about like $6 to $7. The product that was out there, I think it makes about 5. What's weird is if you look at the Keepa data, my name is not on the buy box like data, like the buy box percentage. If you look Keepa, my name is not even on there. But for this product that I'm about to put right now, I win the buy box like 30% of the time. So I try my best to keep in stock on this, and this is probably gonna be one of the products that I go big on this Q4. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and prep this stuff and enjoy the montage. Alright, so I actually legit forgot to press the record button whenever I was prepping all this stuff. So all this whole time I thought I was getting recorded while I was prepping it, but I didn't. So I got these 4 boxes. I thought I was gonna be able to fit at least all of it in 2 boxes, but now it looks like I gotta make 2 trips to the post office. So yeah, whenever I set that, I made around like $7 or $5 on this product. I think shipping went up for Q4, so now I make $4 on this product. but it still does sell well. So I'm still gonna go big on it, but probably not as big. I'm probably gonna go more on the other product that I sent out this morning. But yeah, I will see you in the morning. Alright, so I just got back from the gym, and I on the way back I did drop off 2 more packages. So now I'm doing the second run to the post office. This is why I have to do 2 runs. So the car that I have now isn't really a reseller friendly car. So yeah, this sucks. So yeah. Off to the post office. Alright, so I'm back from the post office. So before I end the vlog, I just want to talk about what my goals are for my goals and plans for Q4. So the goals for Q4 is to just make as much money as I can to launch me forward into the next year, because I'm not gonna officially start the grind to 100K until next year, because there's no way I'm gonna reach 100K this year. And I just started online arbitrage seriously like 2 months ago. So unless somebody funds me like a buttload of money, there's a possibility that I can reach 100K, but that's not gonna happen. And yeah, so that's my goal. But my plan for Q4 is to just go hard on the stuff that's already selling now without having a Q4 boost. If you're new, don't be sad that you can't sell toys, because everything sells. Like last year, whenever I was drop shipping on my my Amazon account, I was selling barbecue grills like crazy. So yeah, things that sell are gonna sell even more. There's gonna be more eyes on the website, the apps, and everything. So yeah, so if you can't sell toys, don't feel like you're gonna be missed out on Q4, because everything sells. So if you made it this far into the video, thank you for sticking around to the end of this vlog. Peace out, and I will see you in the next one.